Hey there, welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time finding me, my name is Gerard. Today we are talking about fragrances, more specifically, me going into my Marshalls, TJ Maxx's, Burlington's, trying to find fantastic deals on hidden gem fragrances. So if that's content you want to see more of, be sure to like this video, subscribe, hit that hype button. But let's get right in to the store footage. So what did I end up grabbing? There was a couple there that I wanted to try, but this one stood out to me. And this video is gonna be a little different because I have 6 fragrances here that I will be testing. I picked up the Michael Malul Discovery Set. Michael Malul. I don't know much about this house, but I do know one thing. You guys love it. So I'm excited. In the box, you have 6 10 ml bottles, and I paid $24.99. And couple of you guys have mentioned this to me in the past. You're like, keep an eye out for the Michael Malul Discovery set. So in this box, we have Citizen Jack Absolute, Amber and Smoke, Ocean Noir, Sea and Zephyr, Kate Tourette, 511 Black Tie, and Zest and Vetiver. I'm gonna bust this open. I'm gonna test these on strip and just tell you guys what I think about them, whether or not I think they're any good. Let's jump into it. The first thing that stands out to me is the quality here. I really like what they did with this box set. It comes with this little booklet with, you know, different descriptions on each one of the fragrances, which I think is a nice attention to detail. They have a little bit about us. Michael Malul isn't just one person. Good to know. I would have thought it was Michael Malul making fragrances in some room somewhere. Our story began with a dream. Our founder started by owning perfume shops where he gained a deep understanding of what people love in a fragrance. Inspired by his customers, he created his own scents, which quickly became so popular that other stores wanted to stock them, and that's how Michael Malul was born. All right, good to know. Let's see if Michael Malul's fragrances are actually any good. So here you have the box with the fragrances, and I'll probably be working left to right here, and that would make the first fragrance Citizen Jack Absolute. So let's get this on strip. We don't have to look at the atomizer because this is just a little 10 ml decant bottle. Okay, yeah, fruity, a little bit creamy, woody, has a little bit of a spicy vibe to it, reminding me of something, familiar scent. I think it's really nice quality. This isn't necessarily my favorite scent profile in fragrance. Herba Pura, that's what this is reminding me of. Herba Pura from Serjoff, among others, different dupes of that fragrance. But it's definitely in that vein of Herba Pura, so fruity, musky, a little bit spicy, you have some subtle soft woods, unisex. I think both men and women could get away wearing this. It is a very likable DNA. I just personally, for me, it leans a little too feminine. That being said, I think it's nice. I can appreciate it on someone else, the right person, I think. Yeah, but overall, just impressed, I think, with the quality. I guess for some reason, I've always, when I've heard the name Michael Malul come up, I don't know why, I've just thought it was always like a budget house. But that is just based on really no information on my part, just a knee-jerk sort of reaction to the house and my thoughts on it. But I don't know much about them, but impressed with the quality initially, especially off a strip, because you don't get the full story of the fragrance necessarily off of the strip every time. So this next one is Ocean Noir. Ocean Noir, so I'm assuming this is an aquatic fragrance, but I don't want to make assumptions. All right, it'd be nice if the atomizer worked. Okay, this one doesn't want to work. You guys can see, it just won't press. Okay, yeah, it's broken. So let me see if I can pull it off and get it back on. That's a bummer, guys. I can't really try this one. It has, this is broken. So it's hard to see. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to make it out on camera, but this piece right here isn't sitting right within the collar of the decant. So yeah, this is disappointing. So, well, I'm going to move on, and maybe if we get lucky, I can try to fix it before the end of the video. Disappointing, not a good start. But it is $24.99. So, okay, so the next one is 511 Black Tie Kate Tourette. Kate Tourette. So I don't know what necessarily, I don't know if that's like an offshoot of the brand or we'll see. Let's see what this is all about. Black tie makes me think maybe like a dressy fragrance. Okay. Citrus, spice, lots of ambroxan, the shower jelly vibe. It smells a little bit like maybe something like a Prada Luna Rosa Carbon, Dior Sauvage. I mean, honestly, guys, I'm spent on this type of DNA. It's not bad. I think it's a good version of that. I mean, I will say what I've tried so far, they're very natural smelling. So they don't smell overly synthetic or synthetic at all, really, for that matter. And that's off a strip. So I like this. You know, I'm a sucker kind of for this DNA. Like I said, I'm over it, but it's also damn good. So it's kind of a no-brainer. It's going to smell good on every guy. Every guy can pull this off. It's just super clean, fresh, spicy, citrusy, woody, musky. I mean, it kind of checks every box. Nice scent though. Yeah, it's pretty good. Black tie. I think I was expecting something a little darker, a little more for night out. That's not this. This is an everyday wear, in my opinion, that you could wear to the office, wear to school. You could wear it out at night. It's pretty versatile. It's going to be one that is kind of a all-arounder. Pretty good. So the next one is Amber and Smoke. So sorry guys, I got my test strips in my pocket. Amber and Smoke. So let's see, the two of my favorite notes in fragrance. So let's see what comes up. Ooh, okay. I got hit with a little bit of perfume as alcohol there. Gonna give it a second. Okay, this one for me is, yeah, I mean, I have a sense that this probably isn't going to be the best off a strip. It has a molecule vibe to it. So, you know, that alcohol that I got hit with initially, that to me reminds me of a little bit of like, could be like a Molecule 01 or elements of like a Baccarat Rouge 540, those molecule fragrances that are outstanding performers. They're just not meant to be smelled in certain ways. So like, you know, they're better off worn in their sillage. They kind of come in waves as to when you smell and when you don't. That's kind of what I'm getting here. So this is probably one that I would want to try on skin at some point just to see I'm not really picking up any smoke. I can see the ambery notes. It has a warmth to it, but it doesn't have a lot going on. So you kind of, I think it's one of those fragrances that you either smell quite a bit or you don't smell at all. It does have a slight fruitiness to it. Unisex again, one that I think anyone could wear, but maybe leaning a little feminine. As it's transitioning a bit here and drying down, it reminds me of Baccarat Rouge 540. It's the thing that keeps popping up. Kind of has that a little bit of that candied sweetness. It's getting better than initial spray. I'm picking up more notes now. Definitely reminding me of Baccarat Rouge. Not a bad thing. I like that fragrance. But again, is Michael Malul a clone house? Please let me know in the description. Is this a clone house? So far, everything I've smelled smells like something else. But it's good. It's not a bad thing. Again, quality really good. Smells good. Let's take a look at the next one. All right, so the next one we have here is Sea and Zephyr. Sea and Zephyr. And in the interest of time, guys, I'm not going to look at all the notes and go over all the notes. I just want to give you my honest first reaction to this stuff. Okay, this one's nice. Picking up some grapefruit, some bergamot, citrusy. Oh, what else is here? This, I might have to look at the notes of this one because it's something very interesting here. It's not a mint. It's definitely aromatic. Very fresh and uplifting type of fragrance. I like this. It is reminding me of something, but nothing specific. Has just this slight sweetness to it. It smells really good. I like this one so far, probably the best. A little bit of a tea-like quality to it as well. So that soft, green, wispy type of aromatic here that is blending perfectly with the citrus. And it's clean smelling, lavender. Funny enough, it's reminding me just a little bit of like YSL Y, but like a softer sort of take on that scent, which isn't a bad thing because that can be a little bit too much for some people. Yeah, it's a nice version of that. It smells really good. I like this one. I think a lot of you guys would like this one. Yeah, this is nice. Sea and Zephyr. Okay, and the next one we have is Zest and Vetiver. So I love vetiver, so I'm hoping for a nice vetiver fragrance here. But sometimes, you know, vetiver can be hit or miss too. So, all right, this atomizer works. It's good. See what it does. I like this right off the bat. This is in my wheelhouse. This is definitely, for me, the most unique of all the ones I've tried so far. The Vetiver's there. Has a little bit of an old school fougere vibe to it. Beautiful citrus. You know, one thing that keeps jumping out to me again, I'll say it again, is the quality. I know that, you know, one of the atomizers didn't work, but I'm sensing that the quality is really good here. I don't know what these are priced. I'll look it up and I'll put it here, what some of these bottles are priced at retail. And I'll try to link everything down below for you guys. I think the quality is really nice. And the reason I say that is because if I can pick up quality off of a strip, then that's a good start. A lot of times, certain things just fall really flat on strip, and you can pick up more synthetics off a strip sometimes. And and I'm sure there's a ton of synthetics in these, but at the same time, there's some naturals too that I'm really liking. Yeah, the Vetiver is awesome here. More modernized. It definitely has some modern elements to it. Yeah, this one's good. Man, I really want to try Ocean Noir. So let me see what I can do here.
A few moments later.
All right, I may have something here, guys. Let me see. It's getting stuck. A little bit came out. Okay, so I got a little bit out of the bottle. I was able to spray a little bit on the strip here. Yeah, a little bit. I got another spray. So let's see. Okay. Yeah, this is a sweet aquatic. It's a little bit salty, sweet, fruity. I think maybe coconut in here. It's nice. Damn it, this is probably the best one so far. And then I'm pissed. The atomizer's broken. I like this one. This is probably my favorite. It's always the way it works, isn't it? Yeah, this I think, that ocean aquatic salty vibe, but also really clean smelling. I like the addition of the coconut. It's familiar. It doesn't smell like anything like specific that I can think of, but it's a really safe DNA, masculine. It's good. Yeah, I mean, so far the brand as a whole, I think, is pretty good. I think for $24, this is a great deal. All of these are going to be very easy to wear in most cases. Then there's nothing too challenging here. I think there's something for everyone in this set. So for that reason, it's probably worth the $24.99. I'd be really curious to know what you guys think of Michael Malul as a house, your favorite fragrance. Drop it in the comment section down below. But if you like content like this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.